For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a restaurant can seem like an impossible dream when you have no money. However, the rise of powerful free AI tools has created new opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to build a restaurant business from scratch. By leveraging AI for planning, marketing, menu creation, and operations, you can reduce costs and skip many traditional expenses. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process on how to launch your restaurant with zero capital investment, using free AI tools to fill in the gaps where money usually is required. Step 1. Define your restaurant concept and business plan. Before anything else, clarify what kind of restaurant you want to open. Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm your concept based on current food trends, target demographics, and your personal passion. For example, prompt ChatGPT, "Help me come up with unique restaurant concepts targeting young professionals interested in healthy fast food." Once you have a concept, ask ChatGPT to help draft a basic business plan. Use a prompt such as, "Create a simple business plan outline for a low-cost restaurant focusing on healthy takeaway meals." The AI can provide sections like market research, financial forecasts, and marketing strategies, which you can customize. Step 2. Conduct market research with AI tools. Understanding your target market is crucial. Use free AI tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to analyze what potential customers are searching for in your area or niche. For example, search for popular cuisine types or trending dietary preferences. You can also prompt ChatGPT, "What are current popular food trends in your city or country?" This research helps you tailor your menu and marketing to meet demand without spending on expensive consulting or surveys. Step 3. Design your menu using AI. Menu creation is both an art and a science. With no budget, you want to create appealing dishes that are cost-effective to prepare. Use ChatGPT to generate recipes and menu descriptions. Try a prompt like, "Suggest 10 affordable and easy-to-make healthy dishes suitable for a takeaway restaurant." Once you have recipes, ask ChatGPT to help write enticing menu descriptions with a prompt such as, "Write mouth-watering menu descriptions for the following dishes. List your dishes." You can also use free AI image generators like Stable Diffusion or DALL-E2, if available, to create visual mock-ups of your dishes or logo. Step 4. Plan your operations and location strategy. With no money, renting a traditional space might be impossible initially. Consider alternatives like food trucks, ghost kitchens, or partnering with existing cafes for shared kitchen space. Use ChatGPT to explore ideas. What are cost-effective restaurant operation models for someone with zero startup capital? Plan your supply chain by prompting ChatGPT, "Help me create a list of local suppliers for fresh ingredients with affordable prices." Also, create a daily workflow and staffing plan using AI. Generate a simple operational plan for a small takeaway restaurant with minimal staff. Step 5. Create your brand identity for free. Your restaurant's brand includes the name, logo, and social media presence. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm catchy names. Generate 20 restaurant name ideas for a healthy takeaway concept. For logo design, try free AI-powered tools such as Loka or Canva's free logo maker. Canva also offers easy drag-and-drop design templates to create menus, flyers, and social media graphics at no cost. Use ChatGPT to craft your brand story and tagline. Write a compelling brand story for a restaurant focusing on healthy fast food for busy professionals. Step 6. Build your online presence. In today's market, a strong online presence is essential. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress to create a simple site for your restaurant. If you're unfamiliar with web design, ask ChatGPT, "Help me create website content for a healthy takeaway restaurant homepage." Set up social media accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to reach your audience. Ask ChatGPT for social media post ideas. Suggest 10 engaging Instagram posts to promote a new healthy restaurant. Schedule your posts using free tools like Buffer or Later to maintain consistent engagement. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan using AI. Without funds for paid advertising, focus on organic growth and local community engagement. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan by prompting, "Create a cost-effective marketing plan for a new takeaway restaurant with zero budget." The plan can include strategies like collaborations with local influencers, participating in community events, and encouraging customer reviews. You can also draft press releases or email newsletters with ChatGPT. Write a press release announcing the opening of a new healthy takeaway restaurant. Step 8. Manage your finances and legal requirements. Even if you have no startup money, you must understand your financials and legal steps. Use AI spreadsheets templates from Google Sheets and prompt ChatGPT. Create a simple financial projection spreadsheet template for a small restaurant. For legal requirements, such as permits and licenses, ask ChatGPT, "What are the essential permits and licenses needed to open a restaurant in your location?" This can help you prepare and apply for any necessary paperwork, possibly finding low-cost or free government resources. Step 9. Utilize AI for daily operations. Once your restaurant is running, AI can help with order management, inventory tracking, and customer communication. Use free AI chatbots like ChatGPT or others integrated into platforms like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger to answer customer questions or take orders. Prompt examples. Help me write automated responses for common customer inquiries about menu, hours, and delivery options. Step 10. Gather customer feedback and improve. Use free survey tools like Google Forms to collect feedback. You can ask ChatGPT to draft survey questions. Create a customer satisfaction survey for a new takeaway restaurant. Analyze feedback and ask ChatGPT to suggest improvements. Based on customer feedback indicating long wait times, how can I improve restaurant efficiency? In conclusion, leveraging free AI technologies enables you to overcome the financial barriers to starting a restaurant. From conceptualization to marketing and operations, these tools provide guidance, automation, and creative input that help you build a strong foundation. With determination, strategic use of AI, and a clear plan, launching your restaurant with no money becomes an achievable goal. The key is to start small, learn fast, and grow steadily using the power of AI at your side. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.